Hey there everybody. So today we are going to do a quick how-to on how to use Velcro rollers. Now I've used proper Velcro rollers for years, and I've actually in the past couple started using these puppies. These are the Jet Set. They're more of a plastic rubber roller, but it's a similar concept as a classic Velcro-y texture roller. So what we're going to do, we're going to start off by rough drying our hair. I'm going to use a round brush on my top layers, and then we're going to put our rollers in to let them cool in that form. So our rollers are meant to be used on dry hair. You can use duckbill clips to help hold them. Sometimes they'll just stay pretty well alone, or you can use bobby pins if you want. But what we're going to do is power dry, use our round brush to style out kind of a center mohawk section, and then put two on the side so we get a little bit more lift around our face, and we'll take it from there. So let's go to power drying with our paddle brush and get that mohawk section all dried. All right, so now we power dried our hair. What we're gonna do is, this is a loose sectioning technique. So we're gonna take our round brush and kind of think of that top of our head as a rectangle. So we're gonna take our round brush, scoop and over direct the hair to the opposite direction. We're gonna flip and do the same thing on the opposite side and pull the opposite direction. And then we're gonna go in with our Velcro rollers. Now I'm gonna use these size on my top section to give kind of the most lift at the root, and we're going to use these to create a mohawk section through the back, and that's going to help give us the most lift. So keep watching. All right, now that we have our Velcro rollers in our dry hair, we're gonna go back again and hit it with hot or warm air with our blow dryer, and we're gonna do it from the front of the section and then go to the back of the section. Let's go. Alrighty, so we have hit each of those sections with the dryer for 5 seconds on one side and 5 seconds for the other. Now they're nice and warm now. I'm gonna do a mist of hairspray and we're gonna let them cool and then we'll be right back. Alright, so I've been letting these rollers cool for about 5 minutes now, and all we're gonna do now is pull them out. And you'll see how much volume we get from not using a heavy curling iron or anything like that. And a lot of times, even though my makeup's on today, what you can also do is do this part of your hair first, do your makeup, let it cool, and then remove your rollers right before you leave the house. So that's another tip to use. But let's go on and take these rollers out and see what we've got. So that's how to use Velcro rollers. It's nice and easy. I recommend that mohawk section. Roll them away from your face. Use probably 1.5 1.25 size rollers for optimum volume and oomph. But it's a perfect way to get lift off your root. I honestly feel like when you start a blowout with like a fuller root, it lasts longer. And I don't feel that I look particularly like Texas, but this is a great way to kind of add some variety to your shape, whether you have kind of a lob like I have or a more kind of layered shaggy shape. Either way, you will love it. If you have any other questions about how to use Velcro rollers and work them into your routine, leave them in the comments below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye!